Hello kids! Today we will draw a cute alarm clock. So let's start. First, draw a big circle in the paper. Draw the circle in the middle of paper. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Well done, now draw another circle inside it, like this. Make it a little smaller, and it's done. Good job, now draw the alarm clock, ringing bell. Draw two oval shape on side. Draw oval on left, then connect it with thick line. Well done, now draw the other bell also. Draw the oval shape, like this. Then connect it with thicker line. Don't forget to draw the alarm stopper, or you won't be able to stop the alarm. First, draw a square box, like this. Then draw two lines and connect it. Now let's draw the alarm leg. Draw two lines in a gap. Then draw oval shape. Well done, it's looking very great. Now draw the other leg also. Do the same thing, and it will look very beautiful. Look, we almost complete the drawing. Now let's draw the hour line. Draw a small line, like this. Let's count, and draw the line. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Good job! Look, we draw the line in equal gap. Now draw another circle inside it, like this. Look how great it's looking. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Lastly, draw the arrow inside the clock. Draw a big dot, draw the line upwards. Point the arrow to 12-foot clock, like this. Good job, now draw the hour arrow. Draw another arrow towards 3-foot clock. But make the arrow small. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First, use sky blue color and color the middle part. Color the outline, like this. And don't color the arrow. Color carefully, and don't color the arrow. Well done, now use yellow color and color the next layer. Color carefully, and don't make any mistake. Make sure not to color the hour lines. Color round and it's done. Well done. Now use orange color and color the outer part of the clock. Do the same thing. Color the circle. Color round and it's done. Look how great it's looking. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Okay kids, can you tell what time it is on the clock? Yes, it's 3 o'clock. Now let's color the alarm bell. Color the left part first. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Now color the right bell. Color slowly and fill the color. Now use gray color and color the leg also. Color the pipe part and it's done. It's looking very great. Now use bulk color or dark gray color and color the leg. Color the oval shape like this. Now color the other oval shape also. Lastly, color the upper part of the stopper. Good job! Look, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, use red color and color the alarm stopper. Color the box and it's done. Now use white color and make the drawing shiny. First draw some line inside it. Well done, now draw some line on outer part. Draw some curved line like this. Lastly, draw some line on alarm bell. Draw curved line on both alarm like this. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how cute it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon